Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on Microsoft Word. It's going to be quite a long one, so you might want to sit in, grab some snacks, and of course pay attention. We're going to be doing just a short introduction. I might make a part 2 to this. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So first, what you want to do is open Word, and we'll just go right back here first. In here, you'll be greeted by the main menu. So what you want to do, we're just going to press New. Just choose the blank document for now, and here we go. So we're going to start from the top. And here, this is your menu, or what it's called a ribbon. And this is where all your essential tools are located. It's organized into tabs like what we have here. Home, insert, design, and layout, and so on. But we're gonna just mainly talk about home, insert, design, and layout for now. Okay, so where were we? Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna start with the home tab, which is the first tab you're gonna be introduced with. So in here we have the font style. Just to give you an example, I'm just going to type a bunch of random words, and pretty much is where you get to edit everything about your fonts and everything that your typography and everything like that, such as changing the size or changing the fonts here, which is a lot of fonts, changing the color, its style, pretty much everything you need for changing up your font here and there. Okay. Next is the paragraph section. In here, you can manage or order your paragraphs. Let's say you want this to be in the middle or to be in the right, middle, and stuff like that. I already said middle. And on the top here, we have the numbering or the bullets. Pretty much if you're trying to make a list or some bullet points in your writing, you can choose this option. So here for an example right here. Okay. Next, we have the style section. This is pretty much your basic stuff where you get to choose all the different styles, all the already set up styles that Word had to offer, and pretty much you can choose whatever you want. It's completely up to you. And then, also almost forgot, in here we have the clipboard section. Now, the clipboard section is primarily used, let's say, for copy and paste. Let's say you want to take something from the internet and pretty much, sorry about that. And pretty much you can able to copy and put it on top of your current document. It's a very useful tool if you're, let's say you're writing on an essay or things like that. It could really help you a lot in the long run. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the insert tab. Now it is a lot. So we're gonna break this down bit by bit. First, we have the pages group, and here you can pretty much edit your page, as in, let's say, the cover page. These are again all already inserted into the sort of the defaults in Word. So let's say you want to choose this one. Yeah, pretty much like that. Then we have the blank page. Blank page pretty much clears your page. That's really it. Page break. It's another useful thing. Let's say you want to add a new page, and here's the control pretty much where your content starts on the new page. Now we have the illustrations. We have the tables option. So the tables option allows you to essentially make an insert table, a table where you would see in Excel. In Microsoft Excel. Pretty much you can organize data, rows, and columns, and you can also customize the size of your table, making it easier to present information clearly. Next, the illustrations. The illustrations group allows you to insert visual elements such as like pictures, shapes, icons, 3D models, pretty much all of it, and which will help a lot if you're doing a visual diagram or data. And here we have links. The links group pretty much helps you, allows you to insert hyperlinks from anywhere, from Chrome, from the website, and you can even use your bookmark to. And there's also a bookmark option where you can jump to a specific section or a page that you want. Okay. Next, we have the header and footer. This is pretty much just to edit your header and footer. I mean, it's pretty much just that it. So yeah. Okay, now let's go to the design tab. For the design tab, it's much less overwhelming, and pretty much all you got to do is just, this helps you. It's very similar to one that we have in the home page, but this is more emphasis on the font. While the design one, it's where you can choose specific themes that will adjust pretty much your font and its colors and its effects. So instead of just focusing more on the styles of your font and its size, it mostly it has a bit more options to give you. And then next we have themes, and here you can edit more of your colors pretty much, which also affects stuff like this. And then we have the page background. In here, you can add watermark, which will just give you an idea. It's pretty much how it looks. Page color, if you want to change up the page a little bit, add some color. And page borders, which allow you to edit the page borders. And it allows you to pretty much set it up the way you want. Now let's go to the layout tab, which is the last one of this. In here, you can adjust, pretty much the layout tab allows you to adjust the margins and which page size you want it, or an orientation in landscape, portrait, up to you, which pretty much already explained all of this. Here are just margins, which you can edit the sides, top and left, the orientation, like I said, from portrait to landscape, the size, and columns. Just to give you guys an idea, this is what 2 columns will probably look like. And you can add one, I'm pretty sure, well, yeah, but you get the point pretty much. And then last but not least, on the very top here, we have this, which is called the Quick Tab Access Toolbar. Here, pretty much, once you're done, finish your project or anything like that, you can instantly save it by pressing this save button. And you can also allows you to, in here, you can do an undo and redo. Let's say you made a mistake, you can instantly undo it or redo it, and it's completely up to you. So yeah, that's pretty much it, all I want to cover in this. Again, I might make a part 2 to this since we barely scratched the surface, but for now, that is all I want to say. And yeah, that is all for the part 1 of the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.